Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I gave you guys the update on the Elon Musk pump. Okay, so we got that out of the way in my last video. So now I'm giving you guys a little different update. I'm seeing some weakness here. So we want to be careful. Now I'm not telling you guys to panic. It's not a panic video. It's just more of I could expect a pullback here. Okay, which is not a bad thing, guys. I'll be honest with you. Okay, so I'm going to explain this to you guys. Okay, we're in this big triangle. Let me see if I can get on a 4 hour to make it a little clearer, right? Maybe even the daily would probably work even better, but we'll just do the 4 hour chart for right now. We've been in this pattern. We had this fake out, right? We called this bottom in one of my videos. We called the exact bottom here on Ethereum, on all the charts, on Matic, on Cardano. We called this bottom. We called this top. We nailed this move. I mean, that was a huge move, right? So that was awesome. We killed it on there. So on Bitcoin, that was a 23% move. But on Matic and some of the other moves, we had some huge gains. So that was awesome. We called this bounce. We called this. So pretty much we've been crushing it on the channel, right? Now, I did miss this last W move, but I actually did make a video before this morning, I believe, and talked about I think we're in a bullish state. Everything looks bullish. So I did call it before the W broke out, but I forgot to set my alarm. I think maybe we were even down in this area. I'll have to go and look at my own video. So that's pretty funny. I'll have to watch my own video. And now people say, and I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just for educational purposes only. And I know people are saying, well, instead of, telling us what you did last time and why don't you just get to the point and tell us where to buy and sell? I got a comment like that. And listen, I get what your point is, but here's the problem. If you guys don't watch my previous videos, you're not going to understand what I'm talking about. So I have to tell you in my previous videos what happened, or watch my previous videos, or I said this, because if I don't, you're not going to understand when I come and do these updates. So I have to do that. It's not me bragging or anything like that. It's me just trying to say, hey, guys, you're not going to understand. I don't want to say, hey, this is looking bullish or something, and you already missed the move from the previous video. And then you jump in and you're up here, and we were calling these moves down here, or down here. So I have to give you guys, it's not that I'm being cocky or disrespectful or anything like that. I have to go over what was said in my previous videos and what we talked about, and candles closing over certain areas. I did pull up a lot of moving averages here. I did this on purpose. Okay. And I'm going to go over that, but I pulled up all of them. But yeah, so that's why I do what I do. I'm going to give you these levels. I'm not going to tell you buy or sell, guys. That's not what I'm doing. I'll give you a level and you make that decision. Or I could say, hey, this might happen. You make that decision when it happens, because in the end, I'm not going to be there. All I can do, like, for example, we did this. We made this move and I said this was a possible area. Guys, I mean, I don't know what else is, when you see this happen, I can't be here at this moment for you. So you guys have to make these decisions on your own. I'm not going to say, hey, buy. I'm just going to say, hey, look, this is reversing. Okay. This to me is a good opportunity to buy. Okay. Or it's reversing. It's looking very bullish. Okay. This looks like an area where we could see a rejection. This looks like a sell area. I even said it in my video, or I say take profit area. I mean, guys, but I can't be here every second. I wish I could, because I love all you guys. Trust me. And I just started this YouTube channel, and I just started my Twitter, and I just started all this. I've been doing technical analysis for a long time now, but I wanted to. I'm not doing this for me. I want to do this for you guys, because I saw some other guys out there that I felt like just, I don't know, they would just irritate me. So I just wanted to, I want people to succeed. I want to show love because I feel like if I show love to everybody, that they'll show love back to me. I don't have to do these videos, guys. I'm doing it because I want to show love to people and show respect to people, okay? And hope everybody makes money. And are we going to hit them all? No, but if we can hit 80 to 90%, that's pretty freaking good so far. We've been doing that. So, I'm going to go back to the chart now. I just want to clear that up because I'm getting some comments like that. Or some people are saying my videos are dragging on too long. Listen, I'm trying to give you guys every point of view. Like I said, I cannot be here for every single move you guys are doing. Okay? I can't make those decisions for you. You guys have to make those decisions for yourself. Now, in my previous video, I did, I don't know if I have, do I have this chart up? Yes. This was it right here. Okay? We talked about, I said in my last video, I just made the Elon Musk video. I said in between these two lines, okay? And I don't even know if the price was maybe even down here. It was down here. I said in between these two lines, we could see a little rejection or maybe some shorts start to step in, right? Well, now we're seeing some weakness in the market. We had this wedge, which I was expecting to maybe go a little higher and then roll over and touch this and bounce because this is a negative pattern. But Elon Musk came out and boom, we went to the Elon Musk tweet came out and we went skyrocketing, right? So, hey, that's where we're at now. We are going to get a weekly and candle close here soon, so everything's going to be very, very important. But I'm making this update because I'm worried about pullbacks here, guys. And I don't want you guys being frightened. But look, we came out, Elon Musk, wedge, and now we're back in this wedge. Okay, this is a Matic chart, 1 hour. Okay, so if this wedge doesn't hold or the 142, then maybe, yeah, we can retest 135. Okay, it does look like we did retest here. So 131 is a good spot for it to hold up. Okay, Ethereum, same thing. We went out of the wedge, came out, boom, coming back down. Let's see. Where can we go next? Well, let's see if the 2485. If not, this area could be a possibility at 2450. It looks like around there. Why did I draw that? I don't remember doing that one, guys. To be honest with you, but if I drew it, there's a reason for it. But my famous line is this 2429 area. Okay, because this is the line I would really watch out for. But here's the deal, guys. It's not a bad thing if we get a pullback. This would actually be positive. And I know for some of you guys that want to be bullish, but I'm seeing a pullback. And I think that if we retest, and we talked about this many times on my video, we retest this line here and then get a bounce, that would be, and then break this previous high, then that would be a great sign. That would be a great trade, guys. And I'm just letting you guys know right now. So that's something you can look out for, okay? We talked about this being a possible scenario on the daily. Remember, I don't know how many videos I made on this, right? About how we talked about this could come down. They could be even FOMO, but this is the long-term trend. Since $500, it only broke one time. Okay, a daily candle closed underneath here, opened. We broke back above it. We skyrocketed, right? Well, guess what? We're seeing the exact same thing. And I told you guys about this probably in almost every single one of my videos, I think. So maybe there's been a couple that short ones I didn't because I was just doing quick updates. But look, exactly what happened. We came down, we closed, we opened here, we broke back above it. We saw some FOMO. Now let's see if we could see a daily close above this line again, which can give us more continuation on Ethereum. Okay, so that is a positive sign. So there is positives. Now, what I'm saying in this video is we could see a little pullback, okay, which is not a bad thing. I'm actually kind of hoping for the pullback because that's actually a better sign if you're going bullish, if you're long-term bullish. Okay, so we covered that. Cardano, we're getting rejected. There's a lot of, look at this. There's a lot of resistance right here. Okay, look at this. One touch. Okay, two touch. You know, look at this. 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch. So we got all these touches here, and then boom, we get rejected right here. So this could actually, you know, come down as well. Also, what did I see here? What was it on the daily? There was something that caught my attention recently here. I think it was on the daily chart, right? Let's look at the daily. All right, let's see what we can find here. Is that, oh, look, there you go. So this is a bigger pattern, okay? Now, when you got bigger patterns on the daily, you look for bigger gains, right? So this could be a possibility, but that we're in this triangle. And, you know, you could draw it up higher and just rip right through this. But, I mean, really, you get the point, right? So, yeah, so this is something that we can get a close, a daily close above this, and maybe go more to the upside. So we'll keep an eye on that as well, right? Try to break this trend. Or you could even say this that I just now seen. I love technical now. The guys, this is so fun. Look at this. Look at this. This potential wedge we're in, right? Can we even draw it like this? I mean, maybe this is a little wider of a wedge, but we can also even do something like this, even just to keep it safer, right? So yeah, you could say we're touching. That wedge doesn't look that good. But usually these kind of wedges break to the upside. So there's a couple good things here that are going on with Cardano. I don't really like that too much. Let's see if we can draw something else here. I mean, this would probably be still three touches there. We want to see at least 3 touches on the wedge, right? Yeah. So, but anyways, the main thing is you got to break this, right? Okay, so it doesn't matter. You got to break this right here. So that's where we're kind of at right now on all these things. So sorry, I just got a text. So yeah, so let's see, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still looking good, guys. Look, everything's still looking good on the chart. There is something that I did notice. How much time do I have? Okay, I'm in 12 minutes. I know I've been talking long here, but I did notice something on the chart here. Where was I? Right here. Okay, let's see. Well, I actually didn't notice this. I drew this up a long time ago. But this is something on the RSI. Look at this on the RSI, guys. If we come out of this triangle, and I want to show you this up top. Let's zoom in here. We're going to go this. We're going to zoom in. Okay. Now, if this breaks out, okay, and then look, we got our lines here. I'm going to zoom in on this. We got our touch points here that we talked about. Okay. Now, this, if we break out of this, we can break above this level. The next stop could be this. This is the 200. Okay, this is the 200 EMA. All right, I'm going to show you this now. These are all I got. I didn't put the 100. I didn't put the 100 in here. I'm sorry. I put the 50 and the 200. I must have did that to talk about, well, because there is a potential death cross, and I'm sure, listen, guys, I know some people have been talking about, I've been talking about this for 2 weeks. I stopped bringing it up in my videos just because I figured when we get closer, we'll talk about it. But that is a potential, okay? But we also have a huge potential breakout. Now, this 200 could act as resistance. And I talked about this, I think, I've only had this channel for 2 weeks, but I think I talked about this channel or this 200 moving average about a week ago. So yeah, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. What else did we see? Was there something else that we missed? So, okay, so what we'd want to see here, guys, for the best possible move, for the best move that we could get right now would have this come down, retest this previous high right here, and break this previous high. Because if we do that, this would be to me an 80%, 90% trade. And we don't get that. I mean, nothing's 100% guaranteed, but this would be a great, great possibility for a nice move. So if you see that happen and you see this break this previous high right up here, let's just say 39,500, okay? And you see that break after the bounce, man, that is a good trade to get. That's a high percentage trade to get into. And then we would look to the 42 mark, okay? 42 and then higher if we don't get rejected there. So I just wanted to give you guys this update. Cardano, let's see, Matic. We're all seeing this little pullback. But I don't want you guys panicking because sometimes these pullbacks can be nice. So we can get the pullback to touch the triangle, okay? And if that happens, like I said, this is not necessarily a bad thing. Just keep an eye on it, okay? We just definitely don't want to break down underneath these things because then it looks bad again, right? So especially on a daily close. So let's expect a little bit of a pullback. I mean, we could get some FOMO depending on if the market is really good if the futures are really good later tonight. So we'll keep an eye on that. And also how we got let's see, on the daily candle we have 1 hour and 16 minutes, and that would actually close on the weekly as well. So we got to keep an eye on that too because that could make us pump. I mean, we can go to 42 by tonight. If this breaks and holds up. So I'd rather see the retest because then I think the confirmation would be there would be a lot more upside to it. But if not, then yeah, we could see more of a pump. But just to keep you guys level-headed, okay? Not get too ahead of yourself. We are facing resistance in these areas that I just showed you guys on Matic, on Cardano, on Ethereum. Okay, so just keep that in mind, guys. All right. So I love you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. I got shadow banned on which sucks. I got shadow banned on TradingView, or I'm sorry, I got banned from TradingView for a week for posting there. So you guys got to follow my YouTube channel. You can copy and paste it here, or if you guys play one of my videos. Say we play this video right here. All you have to do is hit this right here, Moondog, and it'll take you straight to my YouTube channel. Okay, it'll take you straight to my YouTube channel, which will then you guys can subscribe there. But make sure you guys hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit all, because then you'll get my notifications right away, so you don't miss any of these moves. So we can all make money together. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But yes, subscribe to my YouTube. I just started. I'm trying to build it. I want to help you guys every way I can. I don't want to be shadow banned and banned from certain things, and then you guys miss my content. Also, you guys can follow me on my Twitter account that I just started, which is Moondog1. So that's where we're at, guys. And I just wanted to get everything out here. We're still looking good, but let's just pay attention to these areas, okay? That I draw 39,500. I told you guys all the other areas, okay? So and don't panic if we do come down and retest these areas. If we see the bounce, then that is a good sign, especially if we break above the high. If we see the bounce break out the high, guys, I mean, those are the type of trades that you want to see. And I'm not saying load all in, but those are the ones that give you the highest percentage. So I love you guys. Be safe out there. Have a great night and enjoy life. If anything goes crazy after we close the daily or the weekly, on the weekly chart, I will do another update for you guys. So enjoy your night. Peace out.